This is the second episode in the series. Last video, I was doing how to embed YouTube into a site, and this series is about media in a site. This video is about putting audio into a site, and as you can see, I've created this little folder. So, first, I'll drag this into my terminal. I've already had a terminal on. And we're going to just do an ls, and I already downloaded 2 files, and all we need to do is create an index.html. Sorry. And as you can see, I did another ls, and it says for elisa.mp3 and for elisa.ogg. Now, if you don't know the command line, learn the command line, or you can just make a file index.html in a code editor. Next, I will open this folder in Atom. Again, if you don't know the command line, you could have already opened it in your code editor, but I'm using the command line, and you have to open in Atom. So we'll just create basic HTML tags, and we'll put here a leaf for a leaf and a link tag. No, not a hyperlink. And hyperlink is the A tag. Link is the link to the style sheet, and I'm using Bootswatch, and I'm using Slate theme. So now I'm going to paste in the href, and we're pretty much done with that. And now we'll put an h2. It'll say for and we'll now put an audio tag. The part that you've all been waiting for, just put control and width, nope, style, and I'll just put the CSS in this, and I'll say width is equal to 3m. Equals 3em, and also in here we'll put a source tag, and src is for elise.mp3, and the type will be audio mpeg, and now I'll put another source tag. By the way, this is a self-closing tag, if you know what I mean. Here, elise.ogg will be the source for this one, and here is audio/ogg. And we'll also put this that you put in audio, because not all browsers support this. Primitive browsers don't support it, like a very old Internet Explorer, for example. won't support it, and other browsers like Firefox, older versions of Firefox, Chrome, Safari, even. So we have to put this message in case somebody is using a primitive browser. So we'll say your browser does not support HTML5 audio. So now that we have all the audio tags, and what I did last time is thanks for watching, this time we'll do thanks for listening. And I won't care about the class. I'll just put a small, and I'll say thanks for listening. Now, something else that I want to put in here is a style tag. We already have a link to Bootstrap, but I wanted to align everything in the center without having to mess with classes. So I'll just say so that and align center, and we're pretty much done. Actually, I'd like to remove this and say audio and width equals 3M. Center and width 3M, and we're pretty much done. So let's save this. Go into here. Let's close these tabs. And here, actually, what am I doing? Open index.html in the default browser. What just happened? Let's try this. I think the styling just malfunctioned on me, so just reload that, and look. Thanks for watching. GitHub in the description and timestamp in the comments.
It's 17:15.
Bye.